Hello friends, I am Sambita. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you guys how to make bird house with Coca-Cola recycle bottle. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. For new video notification, please press the bell icon. Follow me on my Instagram account Sambita's channel and Facebook page Sambita. So let's get started. At first, wash the bottle. Now cut the bottle into two pieces. Now draw a circle. Now cut the circle like this way. Now draw a zigzag line. Now cut the line like this. Here I am using red and blue acrylic paint. Here I am using yellow, green, copper and ochre yellow acrylic colors. Here I am putting a stick like this way. Now join two bottle parts with glue. Now decorate the bottle with 3D acrylic color. Here I am using Amsterdam all acrylic relief paint decor. Here I am using golden, white, silver and red 3D acrylic colors. Now make a hole on the top of the lid. Now take a piece of thread, put it like this. Our bird feeder or bird house is ready. Hope you enjoy this video. Give me your feedback on comment section below. See you on my next video. Till then, stay creative, stay happy. Bye bye.